Hey Yogi, this 10-minute full body yoga stretch will improve your flexibility and leave you feeling great. Let's go. Make your way into a child's pose. With your knees wide, big toes together, arms long out in front of you, forehead resting on the mat. Take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose to relax. Rise up as you make your way into downward facing dog. With your hands gripping into the mat, fingers fanned out wide, press your chest towards your thighs and reach your hips high and back. Take a big breath in, a big breath out. Now walk your feet towards the top of your mat, settling into a deep forward fold. With a generous bend in your knees, you can keep your feet hip distance if that's more comfortable. Arms long and heavy, neck is relaxed. A gentle bend in your knees so the muscles in your legs are engaged. Rise up into a mountain pose. Stand tall through the crown of your head and step your ankles and feet together to touch. Anchor down through all the edges of your feet and tighten up your core. For chair pose, begin to sit back into your hips as if someone was scooting a chair in behind you. Reach your hips back. Press your legs together so your legs are a strong base. Feel the muscles in your body firing up and set up eagle, starting with eagle arms. Reach your arms forward and cross right under left, bend at the elbows, and cross again at the wrists. Now relax your shoulders away from your ears. Sink a little bit deeper into your hips and shift your weight into your left foot so you can lift your right leg to cross over your left, either kickstanding your toes out to the side or wrapping all the way around your calf. Now tighten everything up for 3, 2, 1. Completely release and just shake it out. I mean it. Jump around, shake your arms, shake your legs. So come back to your mountain. Ankles together, stand tall, core is engaged. Then sit back into your chair pose. Keep your legs very strong, inner thighs pressing together. Setting up eagle on the left side, reach your arms forward and cross left under right. Bend at the elbows, cross again at the wrists. Tendency is for those shoulders to hike up, so relax them down. Then shift your weight into your right leg and lift your left leg up and over, either kickstanding or wrapping all the way around. Sit low and tighten your twists for 3, 2, 1. Unravel and shake it out. Good job. Come back to mountain pose, take a big breath in, then forward fold as you breathe out. Come all the way down. Now find halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins, press your heart forward, and lengthen through the crown of your head. To get the most out of your halfway lifts, shift your weight forward to the ball mounts of your feet and hinge from your hips just millimeters so you can feel your hamstrings open up. Good. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Now step your left foot back. Take a long stance between your feet, right ankle above your right knee, and then set up crescent lunge. Reach your arms up. Drive back through your left heel as you sink into your right thigh, then lengthen up through the crown of your head. Everything is strong and calm. Focus on your breath as we hold these postures. Open up into Warrior 2. Spin your back heel down, arms reaching front and back. Engage your core so your belly is tight. And relax your shoulders away from your ears. Settle your gaze over your right fingertips. Find your breath here. For reverse warrior, keep your legs as they are and reach your right arm overhead. Let your left hand graze your back thigh. Inhale into the length on your right side body. Exhale, cartwheel both hands down and step your left foot forward into a forward fold, top of the mat. Halfway lift as you inhale, find your flat back. Forward fold as you exhale and step your right foot back. Long stance so your left knee is above your left ankle, then find your crescent lunge. Take a moment to set it up. This is an engaged posture, so drive through your back heel as you straighten out your back leg, even lifting the back of your right knee up towards the ceiling. As you sink into your hips, your lower belly engages to support your lower back so you can lift up through the crown of your head and through your arms. Now open up to Warrior Two. Spin your back heel down, arms reaching front and back, shoulders soft, gaze is set over your left fingertips. This is called a drishti, so you're not distracted by anything else around you. You are focused. Core is strong. Breath is smooth. In and out through your nose. For reverse warrior, reach your left arm up, right hand grazes your back thigh, and your drishti, your gaze, follows your left fingertips up towards the ceiling. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold, top of your mat. And hold here. From your forward fold, cross your right shin in front of your left, bringing your ankles closer towards each other, and fold over your legs with crossed ankles. And give a gentle bend to your knees so you can fold forward, even inviting a little bit of weight into the ball mounts of your feet. Breathing in and out through your nose, deepen your breath, simply by exhaling more. Then release and switch sides. Cross your left shin in front of your right, bringing your ankles towards each other. Gentle bend in your knees. Weight shifts to the ball mounts of your feet. A few deep breaths here. And release. Great. Now come into hero pose, sitting on your shins, hips on your heels. And if you need a little bit of support, you can always sit on top of a block or your prop. With your knees together, hips relaxed, sit up tall through the crown of your head. Adding cow-facing arms, reach your right arm up to the ceiling and then behind you as if you were trying to scratch your upper back. Then reach your left arm down towards the ground, then bend at the elbow so that you can work on getting your fingers together to touch. Chin is parallel to the ground. Jaw is relaxed. 3, 2, 1. Gently release, shrug your shoulders, shake it out, and then switch sides. Left arm reaches up and behind. Right arm reaches down and behind. Whether or not you can get your fingers to touch, who cares? Just sit up tall. Three, 2, 1. Release. Exhale everything out of your lungs. And take an even deeper inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Namaste.
Well done, Yogi. Take a moment to thank yourself for getting on your mat today. I know future you says thank you too. And speaking of the future, tomorrow we're going to be doing a nice relaxing yoga for stress and anxiety video as part of my 21-day yoga challenge. And I'd love for you to join me. Just click the link in the description below or scan this QR code. See you there.